Hey there. If you're a B2B marketer, you know that the buying process can be a real challenge. Long sales cycles, multiple decision makers, and complex products can turn the buying journey into a nightmare. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify it? That's right, interactive product demos. Now, let's talk about the shift to self-service buying. B2B buyers today are more informed and independent than ever. They want to explore, understand, and decide on their own terms. No one wants to sit through endless sales pitches, right? So how do you meet their expectations? Enter interactive product demos. Interactive demos are a game changer for several reasons. First off, they provide a hands-on experience. Buyers can see your product in action and understand its value without any pressure. Imagine being able to test drive a car before buying it. That's the kind of experience we're talking about here. Next, let's talk about building trust. Trust is crucial in B2B transactions. When buyers can interact with your product, they're more likely to trust it. It's like giving them a sneak peek behind the curtain. They can see how it works, ask questions, and get instant feedback, all of which build confidence. But wait, there's more. Interactive demos also save time. They cut down on lengthy presentations and back-and-forth emails. Buyers get the information they need quickly, allowing them to make faster decisions. And we all know that time is money, especially in the B2B world. So how do you create these amazing interactive demos? Start with a clear understanding of your buyer's needs. What are their pain points? How can your product solve them? Answer these questions, and you're halfway there. Next, make the demo engaging. Use real-life scenarios and case studies to show how your product works in action. Include interactive elements like clickable features, Quanda sections, and even live chat support. The goal is to make the demo as interactive and informative as possible. Finally, keep it simple. No one wants to navigate a complicated demo. Make sure it's user-friendly and accessible on multiple devices. Remember, your demo is a reflection of your product. If it's easy to use, buyers will assume your product is too. In conclusion, interactive product demos can transform the B2B buying experience. They build trust, save time, and provide a hands-on experience that buyers love. So if you haven't already, it's time to incorporate interactive demos into your marketing strategy. Trust me, your buyers will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on transforming your B2B marketing. See you next time.